Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the essentials are present, Python 3, 8 or newer, and pip. Once done, install the driver with pip install scopc2 binary so you can use native adapters. Make sure Postgresql is running and you already have the host, port, username, password, and database name. Then create a dedicated DB user or role for your app. This reduces risk and makes connection strings predictable when you write the code in the next step. Now you write the Python code to open a connection and test it. Use scopc2. Connect, host equals X, port equals 5432, DB name equals Y, user equals U, password equals P, and then create a cursor inside a with block so resources close automatically. Execute a simple select one to validate connectivity. Use auto-commit false for controlled transactions, call con. Commit on success and con. Rollback on exceptions. Once you see the expected result, you can move to parameterized queries and connection pooling. To finish, integrate connection pooling, scopc2, pool or SQL alchemy, so your app scales without exhausting DB connections. Replace string formatting with parameterized queries to avoid SQL injection and improve performance. Make sure you close or return connections to the pool in finally blocks. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: verify credentials and network access first, then inspect PGHBA, conf, and post.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.